TV, and we are live on YouTube, we are live on Facebook, and we would like to, text your friend. This one be high school vibe, high school small group. Charlie, you know something? Before that, your school name? Mawuli School. Wow, you people won the national master quiz last year. Oh, congratulations! So you know something. This is what I have for you. Now you have to give me 3 items to select 2 out of it. Delay 2. $1 million. Your mother, your mom, okay, your biological mother, and your wife certificate. So these 3 items you have to select or delete 2 out of it to pick one. So which one will you go for?
Is it my mom, my mother?
$10 million. You delay the $10 million and what I do? Only the $10 million. So you like your mom and the wife to Charlie, so. The guy there, you know, say money no they hear. But most now they go to school for money, you know they get anything. Charlie, what do you do? Wait $10 million for a chairman.
Oh, I believe it.
Okay. Charlie, so say shout out to your friends.
Shout out to my friends.
Okay.
My favorite friend
Emanuela, okay.
And my mom.
Adiza. Thank you. So this is one of the students from Mawuli Senior High School. As you can see, saying you take $10 million. So chairman, the Bible will be too much. Charlie, don't forget when you go subscribe to our Bible school. Subscribe to our Bible school. So that life, everything.